A recent study published in the Lancet Planetary Health Journal has unveiled alarming statistics about the impact of short-term air pollution on public health in major Indian cities. Now, topping the list, Delhi saw 11.5% of deaths attributed to short-term air pollution, followed closely by Varanasi at 10.2%. Kolkata ranked third with 7.3% of deaths, translating to 4,678 fatalities annually linked to short-term PM 2.5 emissions. Now, PM 2.5, also called fine particulate matter, are particles that are very similar and smaller than the 2.5 micrometers. These, when breathed in, can travel into the lungs and bloodstream and cause health problems such as heart disease, lung disease, cancer, and preterm birth. Let's tell you, the PM 2.5 level exceeds the World Health Organization's recommended air quality standards. While there's no safety limit, the WHO has set 15 micrograms per cubic meter as the acceptable limit. Among the 10 cities covered under the survey, even Shimla, the city with the lowest pollution levels, have recorded 33.7% of deaths, 3.7% of deaths owing to PM 2.5 exposure. The results from Shimla substantiates global evidence that there is no safe level either of air pollution exposure in India.
In another 3 months, we will see how the air of the national capital will again turn noxious. But now a study that has been published in Lancet, it clearly goes on to show that around 11.5% of the deaths here in the national capital can be attributed to the rising air pollution. That means 12,000 deaths every year here in Delhi could be attributed to the noxious air that we breathe starting from September or October till March the following year. This was a multi-city, in fact, sort of a study that has been published in the Lancet. This was conducted in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Mumbai, Pune, Shimla and Varanasi. And it goes on to show that Shimla has the least mortality when it comes to air pollution, and Delhi has the highest, in fact, the highest for any city in the country.